Hi guys, and this is a new tutorial about the Snapchat app. Right now I will show you how to add your own photo from the gallery on the Snapchat story. So let's check how to do it. The first step is to open our Snapchat app. This is our default screen to create a new story, and let's tap on the gallery option here. Later we need to use the camera roll feature and tap on the enable to give permissions for the Snapchat to use our own pictures. On the appearance settings we need to go to the photos and tap on the all photos option. Let's go to the Snapchat again. And let's pick on the same gallery feature. Let's tap on the camera roll, and guys, let's use this picture as an example. If you want, you can also use another photo after dragging the appearance screen to the right or left side, and you can also edit this selected picture after tapping on the pencil icon at the bottom panel of the screen. You can add some additional for example filter, and use all of the options as on the usual Snap story. Guys, I hope that this tutorial was definitely useful and interesting. Don't forget about likes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tutorials and tricks about the Snapchat and other programs. And goodbye guys, good luck!